What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to show you the WPL's 1/16 D12. Now this is a 1/16 scales RGR. Now let's unbox it. Now this is a small transmitter. And this is the tools, stickers. This is the menu. Now let's look at this little pickup. Now this is a rear-wheel drive pickup. And then there's backup tires. You can see the suspensions, just two springs. And the front suspensions, you can see the range is longer than the rear. They also have the steering wheels. This is on off. You should lose these two screws. Oh no, don't need to lose the screws here. Now this is a small batteries here. Now let's see the steering service is so fast. I think it is so fast for the small pickup. Now let's compare to the WPL's. It's a big D12, 1/10 and 1/16 scales. Now this small pickup is so beautiful and so small to play.